Groops AI is a new AI software that's been generating a lot of buzz, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know before you try it. If you're looking for an innovative AI tool to streamline your processes, boost productivity, or just explore the cutting edge of AI, this video will give you the rundown on everything you need to know about Groops AI. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share how you can try it for free. First off, Groops AI is designed to help businesses collaborate more efficiently. If you've ever struggled with managing team projects, meetings, or group communications, Groops promises to make everything smoother. It's built to be your virtual assistant for organizing and coordinating teams, whether you're managing a remote team or working in-house. One of the standout features of Groops AI is its seamless integration with existing workflows. Whether you're using Slack, Google Workspace, or Microsoft Teams, Groops AI integrates effortlessly with these tools, providing you with AI-powered suggestions that help you manage meetings, track tasks, and even create automated to-do lists. This means less time spent switching between apps and more time focusing on the work that actually matters. But what really sets Groops AI apart is its unique ability to automate brainstorming and decision-making. You can input ideas or challenges, and the AI helps generate creative solutions or recommendations tailored to your team's goals. This feature is invaluable, especially when you're in a fast-paced environment and need quick, informed decisions. It's like having a super smart assistant that doesn't just follow commands, but actively contributes to your thought process. Next, Groops AI comes with a powerful analytics engine that tracks your team's progress and performance. This data-driven approach helps you identify productivity bottlenecks, optimize workflows, and ultimately make more informed decisions about how to manage your team. It's the kind of insight that could dramatically improve your output if you're looking to maximize efficiency. But Groops doesn't stop there. Another amazing feature is its ability to help with client communications. The software can generate personalized responses to client queries, saving you time and ensuring consistent communication. Whether you're managing customer support or handling sales, Groops AI ensures your messages are on point and timely. What makes Groops AI even more compelling is its adaptability. It doesn't just cater to big businesses, whether you're a startup or a solopreneur, it scales with you. The software adjusts based on the size of your team and the nature of your work, making it a flexible tool that evolves as you do. Now, let's talk pricing. While it's still relatively new, Groops AI offers a free trial for you to test the waters before committing to a paid plan. You can actually experience the full functionality of the software, and trust me, this is a huge advantage when it comes to AI tools. No hidden fees, just an honest try before you buy approach that's perfect for those skeptical about jumping in headfirst. Finally, if you're wondering whether Groops AI is the right tool for you, consider this. It's one of the most promising new AI softwares on the market with strong backing and a real focus on enhancing collaboration, productivity, and decision-making. Whether you're a small business, a large enterprise, or even just a solo worker, this tool can level up how you manage your time and tasks. And remember, if you're interested in giving Groops AI a try, you can access it completely free through the link in the description below. Plus, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares that you can try for free as well. Check them out in the description. That's all for today's review of Groops AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and check out the links below for your free trials of Groops and other top AI tools. Thanks for watching.